Well, looks like these gas prices aren't going down anytime soon. We need to start making money from home, baby. What's up, family? It's your girl, Nikki, back with another money-making video. Have you ever wondered how your favorite online coaches or creators like myself can make money from the comfort of our homes? Well, in today's video, I'm about to spill the tea because I'm going to tell you how you can make money from home, sharing the information that you already know, not having to go out and learn a new skill. No. We're going to take the knowledge that you already know and you're going to turn that into a business. Plus, you want to watch this video all the way through because I am going to tell you how you can win $50 from yours truly. But before we get into it, you know what you have to do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like money-making content by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new here, drop a comment and let me know so I can say, hey. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into how you can make money from home, sharing your skills using what you already know. Let's go. Let me let you know, everything that I'm sharing in this video, anybody can do this. I'm a single mom, raising my daughter by myself. I'm on parents council. My daughter has all these activities. I do many side hustles that I share on this channel. And I have to post videos over here on YouTube for you guys. And just because I post videos here on YouTube does not mean that most of my income is coming from that YouTube ad revenue. The fact of the matter is, if I was counting on the YouTube ad revenue as my primary income, me and my daughter would be living in a box, especially after these glitches that have been affecting my monetization. Nikki Connected is part of my media business, and a huge chunk of my income is providing coaching. Between my strategy sessions where I sit with people and help them get started with earning a stream of passive income, or the students in my Audiobook Blueprint currently get coaching as a part of being a part of my course. So if I can do it, you can do it. And the best part about providing coaching for people is that you can make your own schedule. So that way, if you have kids or family, it's easy to do a work-life balance because you can make your coaching schedule around your life, around your kids' activities. Plus, who doesn't like not having to answer to a boss? Okay. And the fact of the matter is, you can make a coaching business out of any skills or knowledge that you have. So no matter what your niche is, a realtor, a designer, a content creator, there's always somebody out there willing to pay you for things that you already know. So how do you get started with making your own online coaching business? The first step is to identify your niche. What is it that you're good at? What do you already know? We want to save time here. We're not trying to send you out and make you learn a whole new skill. No, we're taking what you already know and we are making a business out of that. One way to figure out what your niche should be is to think about, what is it that people come to you for? Do they come to you for relationship advice? There are relationship coaches. Are people asking you, how are your kids so well behaved? Mine are bad as I don't know what. There are parenting coaches. So identify what you're good at, and that is the niche that you're going to be in. The next thing you need to do to start that online coaching business is to showcase your talent. What good is your talent if nobody knows that you have it? So you have to bring people to your door. The most obvious way is by posting on social media. You can do vertical video on pretty much any of the platforms, but the thing that really catches people's attention is to go live on social media. Just start talking about topics within your niche, even a Q&A session where people can ask you questions. And basically what that'll do is it'll help you build authority so that people know, oh, this person knows their stuff. In case you haven't noticed by the inconsistency of my posts, I'm personally not a big fan of social media. So there is another way to bring people to your door that is my favorite way, and that is by having a website. My website now is nikkiconnected.com. On there, I create posts about making money. So I'm building authority with my blog, and building a website does not have to be expensive. We're not going to go into building a website right now, but in this video, I do explain the process, so you might want to check that out after you watch this one. That video will be linked below. Now we have a couple ways to bring people to our door between social media and a website. Now we have to bring people into our house. We're going to sit them down to eat, but we're not going to give them a full meal. We're going to give them an appetizer. We're going to give them a little bit of what we know versus giving them the whole shebang. And we can do this by hosting a webinar. Webinars are a gem in the online coaching industry. It adds an extra layer, allowing you to showcase the information that you do know. It basically lets you shine as a guru within your niche. So within your webinar, you can advertise that you can provide one-on-one coaching for them. And people appreciate the fact that you took so much time out to give them that information that a lot of times they are willing to book a coaching session from your webinar. So where can you host a webinar? What platform can you use to do this? What I use is called GoBrunch, and GoBrunch happens to be the sponsor of today's video. So GoBrunch is on another level of any webinar platform that I've ever used. They allow you to have your own virtual world. I could tell you about GoBrunch all day, but it's better if I show you. Here we are in Nikki's world. This is just one of my virtual spaces on GoBrunch. This is the lobby. So if I want people to wait for me, if they're supposed to come into another room, I can actually bring them into the other room. They could just sit here in the lobby and chill out. And the best thing about GoBrunch is you can tailor the space to make it your own. So if you want videos playing while people wait, you can do that. So being that this is my world, I can have as many seats as I want, and you could do the same thing with your world. So this is just to give you an idea, because remember, I am doing a giveaway. So I really want you guys to pay attention here so that you can win this giveaway. So again, this is my lobby. This is where I have people wait. So let's check out some more of our rooms. So the next room is my coaching room. So in this room is where I do my regular coaching. So when people book strategy sessions with me, I bring them over here. We can talk one-on-one. We can share screens, do all that good stuff. As you can see, I have a circle here waiting for one of you guys to book with me. I do have the link down below if you would like to book my coaching session. But let's go on to my studio. So this is my studio. So for the people in my audiobook narration course, this is where we meet. Okay, so look how cool that is. I have the mic, I have the whole setup. So this just gets us in the vibe. And again, in any of these rooms, they can be tailored to play videos, play music, to share screens, to do whiteboards. You can also record any of your rooms as well. So this right here is a game changer, because it is not always possible on platform to record the coaching sessions. This is something additional that you can charge for, because when you sit with somebody, a lot of times they're trying to take notes and things might slip their mind. So as an added bonus, you can provide recordings to the people that book coaching sessions with you. People love that. But let's move on to another one of my rooms, which is my auditorium. If you've been in one of my recent webinars, you have been in this room. In this room, I'm able to share my screen, share my slideshows, so everyone sees them. Also, if you notice on the right-hand side, you can chat to your audience. Your audience can also send messages in here if you allow them to. So again, you can control your room, every aspect of it. So let's say I wanted to advertise one of my upcoming webinars. I can add that image right here just by clicking that button. See how easy that is? So again, no matter what your niche is, you can use GoBrunch to bring people into your own virtual world and sell them on your coaching. But it does not have to just be coaching. You can use this as a co-working space. You can also use this as a membership program. The new wave is to have people sign up for membership. So with GoBrunch, you can create a membership where people will have access to various rooms, and they can sit in one room and listen to meditation recordings. You can actually have their audio playing. You can have a whole playlist for them, and you can charge people to be able to access these various rooms. Having your own virtual space and bringing people into it, you can create a deep sense of belonging amongst your community. So remember, my virtual room is customized. You can customize your room for your brand colors, your niche, whatever options and bells and whistles you want to put in your room.
you can do that all on GoBrunch. So if you are interested in GoBrunch, I'm gonna link it down below. If you use my link, you can get 15% off your membership. So make sure you click that link.
And boom, now you have an online coaching business. Now, let's get into how you can win $50 from yours truly. I am creating a GoBrunch challenge. I want to challenge you guys to be go-getters. So this is how you can win $50. I want you guys to go on GoBrunch and create a room. This can be an auditorium. This can be a coaching room, whatever kind of room you want on GoBrunch. Then I want you to screenshot your design, then post it on Instagram and tag me at Nikki Connected and use the hashtag GoBrunch Challenge. The creator of my favorite room will win $50. That's right, I will send you $50, all right? The details of the contest will be down in the description, so make sure you read that and enter the challenge, okay? So real quick, let's go over the plan to get you started with your online coaching business. First, you're gonna identify a niche, right? Pick something that people are asking you about, something you're skilled in, something you're knowledgeable about, and that is going to be your niche. Then you're going to showcase your talent. You're going to bring people to your door. You want people to know that you're there, that you exist. So you're going to go either on social media and create vertical videos and or do live streams. And remember the other way that you can bring people to your door, and that is by creating a website. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to bring them into your house to give them a little appetizer. And the way that you're going to do that is by hosting webinars. It can be a live webinar or it can be a pre-recorded webinar, but use GoBrunch and you can do either or. And in those webinars, you are going to encourage people to sign up for your coaching so that they can get the information from you one-on-one. I have to give a special thank you to GoBrunch for sponsoring this video. Their platform is awesome. I was able to make things so much easier because I was doing everything on different platforms before them. So I appreciate GoBrunch and their platform. And if you did find the content in this video helpful, do me a favor and let me and the algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now I'm ready to peace out on this video. But I just want to let you know, if you are somebody interested in building your own website or becoming a blogger, first and foremost, let me know in the comments because I might do a dedicated video on that. But if you want to get started with that information, I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.